Trying out her new little, not so little, it's about almost 5 feet tall, new cat tree. I think the little pumpkin's gonna like it. If she goes up right to the top, she'll be able to see outside over the balcony. Let's see if she explores the rest of it. There are treats all the way up. Even a little string thing for her to play with there, with a little butterfly on it. Next level. And she's like, oh, there's more treats. This thing is just under 5 feet. And the very top, there she is, and now she should be able to see outside really well. Oh yeah. She's like, wow, I can almost touch the ceiling. Right, little one? How you like it? What do you think? Yeah? Is it a keeper?